कामाक्षी फॉरेक्सान फटयल्ल्या लोकांनी स्वतंत्र कागाळींनी एफआयआर घाल्यार कंपनीचो मालक मुखेल आरोपी निलेश रायकाराक जामीन मेळप कुस्तार जातलो। पुलीस केस हाताळटा ते पळयल्यार रायकाराक साल्वार करता अशें दिसता। ॲडव्होकेट राधाराव ग्रासियसाचो आरोप। आरोपी रेखा आनी निलिमा रायकाराक मडगांवच्या कोर्टान मंगळारा जामीन दिलो।
कामाक्षी फॉरेक्सान तोपी घाल्या म्हणून सुमार 550 लोकांच्यो कागाळी आयल्यात। फ्रॉड 40 कोटींक तेकला। फटयल्ल्या लोकांची मडगांवां बसका जाली। बसकेक ॲडव्होकेट राधाराव ग्रासियस आनी कांय एक्टिव्हिस्टूय आशिल्ले। पुलिसांचो तपास पळयल्यार लोकांचे पयशे परत मेळचे परस रायकाराक सोडोवपाच्या दिशेन चल्ला म्हणून आरोप जाता।
We demand that the police register each offence separately. Once each offence is registered separately, the accused will have to get so many sureties. The accused will have to appear in court so many times because that is what the law provides. So the police, instead of helping the accused, instead of helping the victims, is helping the accused by that the police are colluding with the accused. Now there are some 500 and more people who have been cheated. And the matter is being taken very lightly. I believe that the total amount involved is in excess of 50 crores, maybe even in excess of 100 crores. And it is a matter where the government should have been proactive. Instead, the government is helping the accused by registering only one of different persons have lodged complaints at different times. They have deposited monies at different times. Therefore, each complaint should be registered separately.
This law. What was the name of the person? P.I. Vaingankar. Who do you want now? No, government has to appoint, otherwise we will suggest.
Do you say shift to crime branch or CBI, that kind of probe you will want? Or any other department?
CBI is if they
only PI you want to change. Investigating officer you want to
it
change.
should go to proper direction. And if they can't handle, they have to hand it over to CBI.
इतले मजगती ह्या फ्रॉडाच्या केशींतले आरोपी रेखा आनी निलिमा रायकाराक मडगांव कोर्टान मंगळारा जामीन दिलो। तांकां 1 लाख रुपया आनी शुअरिटी दिवंक लायल्या। कोर्टान रेखा आनी निलिमा रायकाराक फुडले 15 दीस चौकशी अधिकाऱ्याकडेन हजेरी लावंक सांगला। मुखेल आरोपी निलेश रायकार अजूनही ज्युडिशियल कस्टडीन आसा। 34 कोटीच्या कामाक्षी फॉरेक्स फ्रॉड केशीत आतां मेरेन 546 जाणांनी कागाळी केल्या। प्रुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार आनी दत्तराज नायक।
पर्वरे नवा सिद्धार्थ कॉलनीत आत्र्या पैऱ्यान चोरयो। बिल्डिंगेतलो एकलोच ह्या चोरयांनी आसा म्हूण सीसीटीव्हीत स्पश्ट दिसता। ह्या पयलीं तो चोरी करतना लोकांक मेळ्ळा। लोकांनी विचारले उपरांत चोरिल्लें सामान ताणें परत दिल्ल्यान बिल्डिंगेतल्या लोकांनी पुलीस कागाळ करूं नाशिल्ली। आतां परत कर्म सुरू केल्ल्यान पुलीस कागाळ केल्या।
पर्वरेच्या नोवा सिद्धार्थ कॉलनीत फाटल्या 2 म्हयन्यांसावन चोरी जातात। ट्यूबलायट, मोबायल, जोती असल्यो बारीक बारीक गजाली ना जातात। सीसीटीव्ही फुटेजीन चोर सारको दिसता। बिल्डिंगेतलो एकलोच खंय ह्यो चोरयो करतात।
Rishikesh Prabhu, okay, his brother is staying along with his mother and his granny. Now, collectively, all the flat owners, we went to confront them. आणि आम्ही ताका विचारलें, आमी तांकां सांगलें, आमी आमच्या दोळ्यांनी पळयलां की तुमी वस्तू काडल्यो, कित्याक खुबश्यो वस्तू आमच्यो ना जाल्ल्यो म्हूण घरांत। मागीर ऑन दॅट ही सेड बरें आमी काडल्या वस्तू, ओके, तुमचे जाल्यार पळयाय म्हूण। टू आवर सरप्रायज, one after the other he started getting articles. Some of them were belonging to us, some of them were not belonging to us. He requested us, okay, do not please complain to the police, okay, and to give him a chance. And then we also decided, we said, okay, we have to give everyone one chance since we are staying in a community. Today morning I have launched a complaint, okay, and separately all the flat members residing here have simultaneously also filed a complaint regarding the matter of the previous robbery been done, threatening been done. He has abused our worker girl here who comes to sweep the staircase. First of all, we tried to contact the owner of the flat, and then we came to know through sources that it is sublet, which means there are 2 owners. One is the first owner, one is the second owner. They are not bothered in scrutinizing the matter because they are getting their rent month by month.
कॉलनीतलेच ऋषिकेश प्रभूचेर लोकांक परत दुबाव। प्रुडंटान ताका गाठपाचो यत्न केलो, मात ताचो फोन सुद्दां लागलो ना। प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी।
ज्येष्ठ आदवोगाद गोंयचो ॲडव्होकेट जनरल आत्माराम नाडकर्णीक भारताचो अडिशनल सॉलिसिटर जनरल म्हूण नेमयार केला. सोमारा रातीं आदेश आयलो. आत्माराम नाडकर्णी फाटल्यान गोंय सरकाराचो नवे ॲडव्होकेट जनरलाचो सोद चल्ला. ही गजाल खरी म्हूण एजी नाडकर्णीन प्रुडंटा कडेन उलयतना सांगलें. घेऊ एक विराम.